Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 4-bedroom detached property. This is Haddenham from Taylor Wimpey. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Trinity Fields, Harrogate, Yorkshire. Going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the integral garage, living, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a spacious and lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions towards your first floor, kitchen, dining and the living space. Now exploring the living room first. This is the living room which is coming towards the front. Very spacious and comfortable. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofas and a TV set, and you still get plenty of room space to walk around. There's an extended bay window towards the front, so plenty of light falls in the living space. So this was the living room. Now let's check out other rooms in the property. Just as you come out of the living room, towards the opposite side you have some storage space with door and lock. They gave the mains in the space. If you want you can hang your coats. Now moving towards the kitchen and the dining space which are coming at the back. So this is the kitchen with the dining space. Very lengthy and nice kitchen. Towards one side you have the kitchen space, in the middle they have planned the dining table, and towards the other end they planned a sofa. So if you want you can add some living space in this kitchen and dining area as well. It's quite lengthy. You also have these white French door access towards the garden behind, and you'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it. Now let's explore the kitchen space. So you're getting this extended worktop spread out on 2 different sides, and there are plenty of cabinets at the bottom and even on the top. You're getting the gas hob in here. If you want to go for the electric you can. Now in the show homes they do provide you with the upgraded versions of granite or marble in the kitchen, but normally they do provide only the basics. If you want to go for the upgraded versions you'll have to pay on top of it. And towards the opposite side again you have plenty of storage space. You're getting your double oven and also the integrated fridge freezer. The kitchen is really wide. Even after planning a big dining table in the middle you get really good space to walk around, but I would prefer to have the dining table towards the other end, leaving the space empty in the middle. Again, it's totally up to you. You'll be getting a wide window towards the kitchen side, so plenty of light falls in the kitchen space. And this is the garden behind. Now through this kitchen you also have access towards the utility behind. Again, the space in the utility is quite okay. You have a worktop even in the utility, and they have planned the washing machine and dryer in here. You also have garden access through the door behind. Now before moving towards the first floor, let's check out the washroom in the ground floor. So the washroom is coming beside the kitchen. The space looks okay. You have the water closet, sink, and they gave an exhaust. So we covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor we have 4 bedrooms, with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So exploring the first bedroom of the house. This is the double bedroom. You can easily plan a king size bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. They've given 2 windows in this bedroom, so plenty of light falls in here. The interiors done in this room are very attractive. Towards the front you're getting really nice space wherein if you want you can plan the entire wall as the wardrobe, or you can divide it and plan it as a shelf and decorate it with some interesting stuff like this. And most of the houses wherein they provide you with 2 different windows in the bedroom, they look more attractive and you feel like there's more light rather than one single big window or even a bay window. So they've planned the wardrobe towards the front end, and apart from this you also get an additional wardrobe towards the opposite side. Now if you want you can plan like this, or you can plan a wider one towards the front, and you can plan your dressing table towards the side because there's some space beside the ensuite. Now let's explore the ensuite. The space inside looks okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and they gave a window. So this was the first double bedroom. Now let's check out the second double bedroom, which is coming towards the opposite side. The landing also is good. It's quite wide and spacious. Now this is the second double bedroom. Again, you can plan a double bed or a king size bed like this and you get really good room space to walk around. Even this bedroom has got ensuite. And you're getting 2 windows even in this bedroom, so plenty of light falls in here. So you can plan your wardrobes like this in this bedroom. Now if you want, you can plan a bigger size wardrobe as well. You have really good space in the front. Now let's check out the ensuite. So this is the ensuite here. The space looks okay. You have the walk-in shower, water closet, sink, and there's a window. Now moving towards the third bedroom of the house. So just beside the second bedroom, you have the third bedroom. This is again a double bedroom, but this is slightly smaller than the other two bedrooms and bigger than the regular single rooms. So you can plan a double bed like this and you get decent space to walk around. There's a nice window towards one side, so plenty of light falls in this bedroom. You can use this as your kids' room, guest room, workspace, anything you want to. Now just beside the third bedroom, you're getting your family bathroom. So let's check out the common family bathroom. The space inside looks okay. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and there's a wide window. So plenty of light falls in here. Now just beside the family bathroom, you also have some additional space wherein they have provided the water heater. Now moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom, but this is much similar to the third bedroom, which is slightly smaller than the other two larger bedrooms, but again bigger than the regular single rooms. So you can plan a single bed or even a double bed towards the other side and you get decent space to walk around. There's a nice window even in this room, so plenty of light falls in here. You can use this as the kids' room, play area, anything you want to. We covered all the rooms in this property. Overall, a decent property with really good style and comfort. And as I mentioned at the beginning, this has also got an integral garage. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.